Okay, we have a Milltronics vertical machining center, model RH-20, serial number 12975. This machine was new in 2015 and we are running it. This machine has a Milltronics CNC control. It's 3-axis. You have a 16 by 54 table, T-slotted. You have 40 inches of X travel, 20 of Y and 20 of Z. This machine is original paint, spotless. Right now we're running the spindle at 1,000. It goes up to 8,000 RPM. 2,000. That's 2,000 RPM. 4,000 RPM. You have telescopic weight covers on the y-axis. 7,000 RPM. It's a Cat 40 spindle. You have a 24 tool automatic tool changer, a 24 tool capacity. That's your Z, and we're simulating a tool change. Machine has a USB port. That's a color LCD screen. You have conversational and G-code programming, rigid tapping, macros, helical, rotation, and scaling. That's your X-axis. Again, you have 40 inches in the X, 20 in the Y, 23 in the Z. All the axes are quiet. Okay, thank you for watching our video.